Let's start with why. Why should you learn about cloud computing and not something else, like learning about how servers work that you put under your desk or in a data center? Well, let me keep it very simple. Because you want to make more money, right? That's what this is all about. If you work in the software industry, you probably do that to make money, and hopefully you also have some fun in your daily job. So the more successful you can be in your job, probably the more money you will make in your job, and perhaps the more happier you will be in your daily role. And why is that? Why can you make more money if you know about the cloud? Well, most companies nowadays are software companies. For instance, a bank is a software company that specializes in financial services. And even a supermarket is a software-based company that specializes in selling things to customers and in logistics management. Now, because of this, all of these companies are trying to run their software as securely as possible, as cheaply as possible, and as easily as possible. And they want to be able to change their software and scale it up and down. You can do that with traditional servers that you put in a data center, but that means that you have to buy those servers up front. If you use a cloud provider like Microsoft Azure or AWS or Google, for instance, you rent those servers basically, which means that somebody else manages them for you. And that means that they are more secure than you could ever get them, that they are highly available, and they are cheaper than buying servers and putting them in a data center. So all of these companies are realizing this, and every company in the world that is a software company, which are most, is moving towards cloud computing. And so if you do not know about cloud computing, then you are behind the curve and you're gonna lose out. So you need to know about cloud computing. So let's begin with this course, Microsoft Azure for Absolute Beginners. And then you can move on to the other courses which explain things about specific Azure services and specific things that you want to accomplish with Azure for your applications. All right, so learn about the cloud, make more money, be happier.